Life in the United Kingdom, a guide for new residents. This online video edition of the official handbook, Life in the United Kingdom, a guide for new residents contains all the information that you need to pass the official Life in the UK test. We have created short notes of all the important facts in the videos for a quick go-through and revision. This will help you clear Life in the UK test in the first attempt. You may also attempt practice tests questions which are available on our website www.testpreptraining.com. It is really important to understand what is Life in the UK test. Life in the UK test, or also called the British Citizenship Test, is one of the requirements that need to be fulfilled before becoming permanent residents of the UK, or applying to be British citizens. Life in the UK test is used to determine the applicant's knowledge of the life in the UK, in order to assess whether they have assimilated in the culture of the country. The test consists of multiple choice questions. 24 questions are asked to be answered in 45 minutes. Applicants need to answer 18 questions correctly in order to score a pass, or 75%. Who should take the test? Everybody in the age bracket of 18 to 64 is required to pass this test as part of their citizenship, or indefinite leave to remain application. Course outline. The questions are based out of Life in the UK, a guide for new residents handbook, which has 6 chapters, and covers various aspects of life in the UK, including its history, customs, traditions, political systems and laws that govern the UK. Life in the UK test covers the following topics. Chapter 1. The values and principles of the UK. Chapter 2. What is the UK? Chapter 3. A long and illustrious history. Chapter 4. A modern, thriving society. Chapter 5. The UK government, the law, and your role. Other information about the exam is given in the table below.